You might not hear me properly, but this is gonna be a very unusual stream. As you can see, I got webcam and then I'm doing the mega in the frame. Wow, latency is so much here. Okay, Coca, a nice language with an effect system. That's what made me make a programming language again. I mean, Rime, the compiler stuff. So yeah, today when I need to add some constant UI on the screen for my chat tree, so I can see view count and stuff like that. But today we are doing ramps. This thing. Oh, you can see me in the reflection. Again, ramps board, which stands for, if I remember correctly, reprap. What else? Okay, I need to Google it. I have to Google it. And for reprap Arduino Mega Palulu Shield. That's what it stands for. So yeah, gotta test the Mega first. In case it works. And I don't really have much USB ports to plug it into. I'm also probably being very quiet. I can shrink this down for now. Okay, this won't work because Arduino doesn't start for some reason properly. Oh, and OBS doesn't. I mean, I don't know why OBS, but Arduino is. Oops. Arduino is usual behavior. This is usual behavior for Arduino IDE. Oh, yeah. Might need to move some stuff around so you can see properly. This is such a weird stream because I've never streamed with any camera. And yes, I did just unplug my microphone, but at least now you can see the mega. Okay. Angle the camera correctly. You can see an LED flashing here. This looks kind of weird. Is this 1 second? So yeah, light theme for Arduino, of course. Give me an example, basics, blink. Okay. That's wrong. Oh, I wonder if you saw the camera shaking. Still operating. No, it's not. Hey. Camera, get back to work. Let's just do some magic. I don't have any proper camera, so I have to use this Droid Cam, an Android smartphone as a camera. On this chattery, always on top all desktops. Yeah, up above. So blink, let's choose Mega or Mega 2560, which is what I have. It should, okay, here. It actually deduced a port number. I mean, not a port, a board, FQBN board name. So yeah, this is what? There's no way they changed it. I remember you could just open a blink and it would just, you could just edit something. I mean, I have my own blink. No, don't worry. I saw so many boards and not all of them came with blink, so I'm prepared. Onboard LED built in, and make it 100. It's just classical. Hello world for Arduino. Oh, this is terrible. I can't even see stream stats. Okay, Mega is working. That's good. Let's move it aside. Let's make this bigger. So professional. Sarcasm. So yes, it's the RAMPS. RAMPS boards. Which is very cheap. There's some more garbage in there. So a pin header, the board itself, some jumpers, and also I have a pack of A4988, I think. The cheapest drivers you can find. They So yeah, this is just a shield. RAMPS 1.5. I actually thought it's 1.4. I think I put 1.4. I mean, who cares? Yeah, flags all over the board. It's very usual. I wonder how it's different from any other RAMPS, especially from 1.4. I remember 1.4 having a lot of problems. We just 1.5. Yeah. Comparison with our same MOSFET, but simply have them installed differently. Solar flash, yeah. That's bad, I think. I mean, we're not gonna burn fuses, are we? And that's all. I mean, the MOSFETs are flush. You can easier put radiators on them. It's easier. I'm planning to use a relay to control the bed, so it shouldn't be that bad. Unintended. So that's just a shield. Should just plug in. So plenty of those in my life. Never saw a Mega one actually. I never had an Arduino Mega with this form factor. Wow, it's bent. Are you kidding me? It's a bent shield. But yeah, this is just ramps. See some drivers. I see one driver. So yeah, this cheapest driver you can find for stepper motors is this one. It comes with a little heatsink, direction ground. Here's the current regulation. I think it's current. Yeah, it's current. Whatever this thing is called. You can rotate it with a screwdriver to change current for your motors. Be sure to not set it too high. So yeah, this thing just plugs in somewhere. I hope you can hear me properly. Hope you can hear me fine. So let's just plug it into next motor ground. So it goes like that. Not that I'm gonna install it on the printer today. Probably not. Wow, it's bent. Are you kidding me? Everything I bought is bent. It's more straight. Voltage. Also ADM. Should just go like that. And I really need to limit motor current. I don't know how to do this properly. I also need to install heatsink because this thing gets hot. But I mean, not yet. Hope we are gonna drive a bad, kind of broken stepper motor that I have lying around. How do I use this thing? Okay, simple enough. So that's why let's actually watch YouTube guide on Anet A8 current adjustment. So also to set a target current here. Something called VREF. The port clockwise direction. Yeah. The actual value of VREF can be calculated by the formula. I mean, I have 5 motors. I mean 4 motors. Actually, oh wait, I have 2 Z's. How am I gonna work with that? Oh, they specifically have 2 plugs for Z. That's interesting. You can see me. That's Z motor plugs. Yeah. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 motors, 4 axes, and I mean 3 axes. Z is double and an extruder. And so As this is gonna draw, I have 5 amps in, so I probably want something like 0.8 amps. Let's give an example. Times 8. Okay, let me just grab some more things. So I've upgraded my setup a little. Now includes some multimeter, which you have to power with a separate power supply, because I don't have uh, a 9-volt battery. We need to measure this resistor. 0.1 ohm. How am I gonna measure this? In resistance of My wires is probably more than that. So oh my gosh, so bad. I can't measure properly. Really. I get just one. One is short. Come on. Are you kidding me? Oh, I have so much resistance in my multimeter. You know, it works. Well, kinda doesn't. And I don't have proper things. How's this called in English? So there's the resistor. Actually, it has some values on it. At least something. 303 R1 is this? It depends. Bank number market open of R5. Where is R5? R3, R1. Wait, two R1s? What? R2, S1, S2. I have both S1 and S2, which are R100. It should be 100 ohms, shouldn't it? 0.1 ohms is R100. Okay, I guess. VRF is IMAX 0.1. IMAX, I'm planning to do something like 0.8. And just give me this number, 0.64. Shouldn't this be... What? Oh, yeah. VRF, so yeah, I have 0.64 is a multimeter voltage across the board. Measure voltage. Do I have to connect it? Oh no. I can't really connect it right now and use a multimeter at the same time. Sense like voltage. Oh my god, I'm gonna short everything. How can I not? And this doesn't power ramps, or at least it shouldn't. I mean, LED is fine. Wow, this is bright. I'm gonna short everything right now. Look and see. Come on. I mean, actually, can I? This is scary. can just measure it. Okay, let's just put a random value and hope it doesn't burn. Is screwdriver too large? 0.6 volts. How do I measure it when I can't use my multimeter if I have power supplied to the thing? Okay, so it's one turn. No, it's not. I need a smaller screwdriver. I actually feel like I broke it all already. This is too small. This is too small. Come on. You need to use a full-sized screwdriver? No. I need to use something else. Oh, kicked my microphone. Literally. Did you just bend it? Wait, I think I bent it. Oh no. Wait, I think I broke it. Oh no. Okay, let's put it about this point and never touch it again. Guess let's try powering this thing. And hopefully not burning it to death. And supply. Let's try with like 6 volts. Because I'm scared of putting all the 12 into this thing. How do I power it? I mean, I do need to. I can just turn this off. I can just use some jumper wires. Where's this? And I hope I won't mess up polarity. And I think this one is for 5 amps and the top one for 11 amps. Let's just look this up. RAMPS. Board. Oops. Board. Okay, Reprap has a guide for 1.4, which is pretty complete guide. I read through it. Where is power supply part? Come on. Wait, where? Where's the power supply part? Did I skip over it at some point? Okay, here it is. 11 amps, 5 amps. So I need the 5 amps one for the Arduino and stepper drivers and the extruder as well. And then there's 11 amps for bed heater. Why isn't this turning? I'm literally gonna break my screwdriver with those screws. What happened? Not this here. Okay, good. And if you can see me do stuff, no one is gonna watch this. So terrible quality. You can't probably even hear me. To unscrew this first. Come on. Then we put in the wire, which is not the kind of wire you're supposed to put into this thing. But I mean, for testing purposes, this should be enough. And we're done. So yellow is negative, which is ground. And white is power. Hope I'm not gonna burn it all. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is good. Now let's disconnect. What is this? Power. Crank voltage up to 12 volts, which is voltage, the right voltage. 11.8. Turn this thing off. Okay, it seems to work. What? It's blinking. Wow, it looks so weird on camera. I mean, it works. The driver doesn't get hot. So I have this this stepper motor here, and then this wire that I took out of a 3D printer because I've replaced the motor way too many times. This is an E, which stands for extruder, and this motor is very poor. It skipped steps because it's an extruder motor. Connecting it wrong. Which we are gonna connect to X, to B, to A1, A1B. I mean, it shouldn't really matter, right? Give me schematic. I probably can see it. Where are motors? Here's a motor. E0 red to B. So basically like that. Okay. I'm kind of scared of this, and you can't probably see anything. Can I somehow? Okay, so it's a little too much. Actually, this is fine. I move the camera around. You can see my table. Okay, good enough. Well, I don't want to burn it all. I'm gonna... Okay, let me just disconnect this, disconnect the motor. Come on, come apart. And then I'm gonna flash Mega with something. So I also should keep those fires out of reach. Okay, I need let you see. RAMPS single motor test sketch. Test code. Org. There, sketch. Test code. Oh wow, PDE in 2011. I was 2 years old back then. PDE files when they were used in Arduino, it was so good. How can I download it? Can I get it? Yes, I can. Can I open it with something? Probably not. Oh wait, I can. That's interesting. X, Y, whatever. Oh wow, this formatting. Wait, what? Did Kate just die? What? How is this possible? Okay, let's make a new sketch. I'm gonna save it just in case I'll need it one day. Okay, put this in. Use Arduino's built-in formatter. I really hate this formatting. Analog numbering. You can use a letter A, or was it not available back then? See, let me save it. I'm gonna save it to examples. RAMPS test. Let's actually see what it was. Yeah, RAMPS 1.4 test code. I mean, it's 1.5, but it didn't really change, so who cares? And why would Arduino reload for that? So, yeah, we have this, and then in loop I don't know what they are doing. If millis, ow, this is, oh wow, that's actually interesting. That's an interesting way of using no delay code. It should no heaters. I mean, I don't want to work with heaters. I am just gonna leave stepper motors, and I only have one driver connected. I'll just flash it and see what happens. I mean, they're flashing an LED with half a second intervals, which is my preferred interval. Then they have a driver each half of 10 seconds. What? They are switching directions. Oh, and then they're pulsing it. So yeah, let's see if this works, and I hope I won't burn anything. Let me just plug this. And wow, so scary. Burn anything, because this even though it's cheap, it cost me quite a bit. Let's plug in motor. This wiring hell. Sorry, it's censored. Okay, let's turn on the power. Oh wow, it turns. And the driver, I mean, it's not that hot. And yeah, you can see why I didn't use this motor, because sometimes here's what happens. Okay, I'm burning my driver, but I mean, RAMPS board works, and we only, oh my god, OBS doesn't even display the time I'm live. I mean, it does somewhere. Okay, here, 42 minutes. Just to make a RAMPS board work. I mean, I didn't even do anything useful. But yeah, I mean, I need to put into my printer now, I guess. The problem is I don't have proper wires. I mean, I do have proper wires, but they're too proper. They're too huge, and I can't really screw them into this thing. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do today. Literally no one came to the stream. I mean, I understand no one cares about this. I might have some more. But this was kind of fun. Yeah. I mean, you can't see anything. Just move this over here and actually hide it. So yeah. Oh wow, 2 years. What a time! What a time. Maybe I should put it into the printer right now. Okay, be right back. Hopefully, actually, I'm. Uh, yeah, be right back. Actually, no, I need some more hardware. Uh, why? Why? When I'm ending 3 viewers. I mean, you can rate someone. MetaMe is a good choice. Yeah, just thanks YouTube.